In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop image into a circular shape in Canva for free. First of all, go to canva.com and log in. Create a design. In the left-hand panel, click on element and in the search bar, type circle shape. Under the circle, here is lots of circle frame. Click on see all. Now you can choose one as needed. I will choose first one. Click on that. Now I will resize the size. Clicking on the edge. Now we have to upload the photo. Click on upload and then click on upload files, then select your photos that you want to crop circle. Just select and click open. After uploading, drag the image on the circle. The image will be automatically turned as circle shape. To reposition this photo, double click on this. To drag, you can reposition the image. After done with your design, click on share to download this image. Click on download. I will choose PNG format. For background transparency, click on background transfer. By the way, for background transparency, you need Canva Pro subscription. If you don't have Canva Pro subscription, I will show you another way to transparent background. I will download without transparent background. Click on download. Now open a new tab and search image circle frame and go to the first website. Now you have to upload your image here. I will upload this image. Now you can resize this frame. After positioning done, click on download. Now you have a circle image without any background. That's how we can crop image into a circular shape in Canva. If this video is help out to you, please subscribe our channel for more Canva tutorial.